close it off. That's one ear flap. Now for the second one, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. So I did 3, 1, 2, 3. Put the stitch marker right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me do a cross check just to make sure that it's the same. So it's the same. I'm gonna come to the back. Check this out. Start here. This doesn't count as a stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not gonna close that. I'm just going to turn it around. Oh, when I turn it around, I skip one as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be 8. I'm not gonna close it. This should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 6. Not gonna close it. Skip 1. 1. Should be 4, 2, 3, 4. Not gonna close it. Skip 1. 1, 2. Then I'm going to close it this time, okay? Now check to make sure that the ear flaps are the same size. They're the same size. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take the smaller hook. This is a size, I don't know if you can see, it's a size 10mm hook. Size 10mm hook. We are going to do the final border with this final single crochet border with a 10mm hook. So close it off, single crochet, 1. No need to count, just close everything off with single crochet. Just to make everything look nice and finished. Okay, so that's the hat made. Now for the ears. I take, for the bunny ears that get attached to the top, I take a small hook. This is a size 6, I don't know if you can see, it's a size 6mm hook. You can use a 6mm, you can use a 5mm. The smaller the hook, the tighter the stitches, the more posable the ear is, because it's acrylic yarn, so it gets really, really stiff, which for other projects is not too good, but for the bunny ears is perfect. So I take the yarn, I still double the yarn that I'm working with. I leave a little tail that I can use to sew the ears in. So I chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, tightly, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Skip this one and work into this stitch. So half double crochet. It should be 7. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I shouldn't have left such a long tail. 4, 5, 6, 7. Work 4 more into your magic loop to turn everything around. So 5 half double crochet all together in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull this tight so it's closed. Then work the remaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, another tail. Doesn't have to be too long. So, see what I mean? So it's acrylic yarn, so it's very stiff, so it'll be posable like this until you start washing it. And, like, you know, the older it gets, the softer it'll get, so the harder it will be to pose. But if you hand wash it, you know, it'll last longer and it'll stay posable long. So make 2 of these and then basically sew them to the top part right here. I will be right back. Let me go make my second one and sew everything together. And this is basically the finished bunny hat. As you can see, I mentioned, like, using a smaller hook and doubling the yarn helps with posability a lot. It will lose some of this posability the softer the hat gets. However, if you want to keep it longer, you just basically hand wash. No fabric softener or anything like that, just hand wash. But yeah, this is basically it. I still haven't sewn on a face because I struggle with sewing, and I'm not trying to do that right now. But yeah, if hopefully this was helpful. I know my tutorial, me explaining things really sucks, but I hope, like, you know, going off what the video, like, I hope just watching what I did was helpful. All right, that's pretty much it. Have a good one, y'all.